Hello. And welcome back. This is episode 9. My name is Jay. I am the editor at Money Off For You.
And I'm Jen, the supermarket specialist. You're in the right place to find out where and how to get money off things you are going to buy anyway.
Let's get right to it. We're here to help you save money. Currently, there are more than 160 stores where you can get money off purchases using discounted gift cards, which are like money, but cheaper.
Yes, and 14 of those are in the supermarkets category that we'll cover in this video.
And the rest are in other areas of spend, whether that be at supermarkets, on clothing, or the cinema,
homewares, food deliveries, and so many others.
We have separate videos on the channel where we cover saving you money on these too. Jen, tell us more about how to get this money off.
Sure. Gift cards are available because someone sold them to a reseller website, or because they are bought in bulk. In either case, the stores that have discounts, the quantities available, and the amounts are all limited. So, when they are gone, they are gone. Ideally, choose an item you want to buy. Let's say it's £100. Go to the reseller website. Let's say they are offering a £100 gift card with a 5% discount. You buy it for £95, getting £5 off. Pay for the item with the gift card with a £5 saving.
If you are in the process of buying something in the near future, make sure you are subscribed so we can keep you up to date with the discounts available.
And then act quickly, as they can disappear at any time.
Absolutely. And how do you use them?
Using a gift card is usually really easy. However, please double-check the terms and conditions to make sure you are okay with where, when and how they can be used. The gift cards will usually have a barcode for scanning, or a long number and PIN number for typing, similar to a credit card, and when used at checkout, the value of the card is taken off your bill. Pretty simple. Money off for you. Some resellers like Card Yard, Jam Donut, Cards to Cash and Hyperjar offer e-gift cards that are immediately available. Top Cashback usually only supply the e-card the next working day, which just requires a bit more planning.
Thanks. And all these resellers have guarantees in place to ensure the process goes smoothly. And this probably contributes to their great or excellent Trustpilot scores. There are links to the reseller sites in the description. Top Cashback is currently offering you £10 free if you sign up and use our referral code. So if you were to buy £100 of discounted gift cards which are discounted by 10%, then you can get £100 of value to spend and save £20. So, a pretty easy way to get that money off. Okay, now for supermarkets.
This is where I get the most money off. Almost everyone needs to buy groceries. So this is the easiest way of getting money off on a regular basis. Tesco currently has 5% off. Perhaps you are thinking, 5%, is it worth the hassle? Well, imagine you spend £100 a week on supermarkets. That adds up to over £5,000 over a year. And 5% off £5,000 is around £250 over a year. I've been doing this for a while now, and for just a little extra effort, it paid for a chunk of my last holiday.
Okay, well, let's go through the supermarket's discounts you can get right now, as of Saturday the 1st of March 2025.
We covered Tesco at 5% off a few moments ago. So next, Asda has discounts at both Hyperjar and Top Cashback at 4% and 2.6%.
Iceland has discounts at both Hyperjar and Jam Donut at 4% and 3%.
Sainsburys has discounts at both Hyperjar and Jam Donut at 4% and 2.5%.
Morrisons has discounts at both Hyperjar and Jam Donut at 4% and 2.5%. If this has been helpful so far, then please hit the like button. Now let's look at groceries by post next. The best offer you can get at the moment in groceries by post is with Beer 52 via Jam Donut at 15%, which, based on a £50 per month spend, means an extra £7 in your pocket.
Naked Wines has discounts at both Jam Donut and Hyperjar, and both are at an impressive 12%.
Wine 52 is available at Jam Donut, and they offer cards with 12% off.
Virgin Wines cards are available at Top Cashback, Jam Donut and Hyperjar at 11, 10 and 10%.
Laithwaites wine cards are available at Jam Donut, Top Cashback and Hyperjar, and are all at 10%. Some really good ways to get money off there. And that's not all. Check out the channel for even more discounts in other areas of spend. And every Wednesday and Saturday, I'll update you again on the latest discounts you can get.
When you want to get these discounts, there are links to the reseller websites we just ran through in the description, including the Top Cashback referral link to get that free tenner.
If you share this video with others that want to get money off, I'm sure they will thank you.
We would love to hear your comments about the successes you've had.
If you value this channel, please remember to like and subscribe, so we can continue to keep you up to date on how to get money off.
Thanks for watching till the end. It is appreciated and helps out the channel a lot.
My name is Jay. Keep getting money off. See you in the next update.
Bye.